We'll do the Samarasya Shloka Sangraha, Dhyana Shloka all together. Om Arthaya Pratibodhikam Bhagavatam Narayanena Swayam Vyasena Pratitam Purana Munina Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitamritavarshini Bhagavati Ashtadashadyayini Ambatvamanusandratami Bhagavad Gita Bhagavadveshini Yam Brahma Rudendra Rudramarutaha Sunvanti Divyai Savaihi Vedai Sangavadapramopanishadaihi Gayanti Yam Samaga Dhyanaavastita Tadgavena Manasa Pashyanti Yam Yoginaha Yasyantam Na Vidussura-suraganaha Devaya Tasmai Namaha Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsa Charuramardhanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Mukam Karoti Vacharam Pangum Rangayate Girim Yatkripatamaham Vande Paramanandamadhavam Parasharyavachasarojamaharam Gītāर्थagandhotkatam Nānāthyanakakesaram Harikatha Sambodhanabodhitam Loke sajjana षट्पदैरहरः पेपीयमानं मुदा भूयात् भारतपङ्कजं कैवल प्रध्वंसिनः श्रेयसे अथ श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु मोक्षार्थं योगप्रणाली सामरस्य श्लोकसङ्ग्रहः श्रीभगवानुवाच अनेकचित्तविभ्रान्ताः मोहजालसमावृताः प्रसक्ताः कामभोगेषु पतन्ति नरकेषु च ऊर्ध्वं गच्छन्ति सत्त्वस्थाः मध्ये तिष्ठन्ति राजसाः जघन्यगुणवृत्तिस्थाः अधो गच्छन्ति तामसाः चतुर्विधा भजन्ते मां जनाः सुकृतिनोऽर्जुन आर्तो जिज्ञासुरर्थार्थी ज्ञानी च भरतर्षभ कायेन मनसा बुद्ध्या केवलैरिन्द्रियैरपि योगिनः कर्म कुर्वन्ति सङ्गं त्यक्त्वात्मशुद्धये. This shloka we will practice. Uttamah purushastvanyah Uttamah purushastvanyah Uttamah purushastvanyah Paramatmetyudahritah Uttamah purushastvanyah Paramatmetyudahritah यो लोकत्रयमाविश्य बिभर्त्यव्यय ईश्वरः यो लोकत्रयमाविश्य बिभर्त्यव्यय ईश्वरः फुल श्लोक So there is it's already 10:15. I'll just take 1 minute only to explain this and then hand it over. The word split uttamaha purushaha tu anyaha paramatma iti udahrataha yaha lokatrayam avishya vibharti avyayah ishwaraha. This shloka is about Ishwara. So Ishwara is a component of Samarasya. Samarasya is the essence of everything, or kind of that which is common between all, between what we are thinking about, Jnana Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Karma Yoga and Dhyana Yoga or Raja Yoga. For all these, which is the point of Samarasya, Ishvara is the point of Samarasya. If Jnana Yoga is intellectual pursuit, Dhyana Yoga is emotional pursuit, or rather the mental pursuit, and Bhakti Yoga is an emotional pursuit, Karma Yoga is physical pursuit. In all these things, in all these realms of human endeavor, there is a point when we will say, no, I am unable to understand this principle. I am unable to do this anymore. I am unable to control my emotions. I am trying hard. I am trying hard in my sadhana, in my pursuit. I am unable to do. There will be a point of frustration. There will be a point of where I say, I will give up. No more. I cannot do this anymore. At that time, whom should we take recourse to? Ishvara. Okay, I will put in my best foot forward in any realm of my pursuit, Karma Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Raja Yoga or Dhyana Yoga. And if I don't see the result, even the lack of result is the prasada of Ishvara. If with that pursuit or activity or the orientation of the mind, if we go about our activities, we will not give up, we will continue until success is achieved. Thank you very much.
Let's end the session with Shanti. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu